Good morning, everyone. Welcome to online classes of Yale Public School. Today we will continue our EVS chapter number 7. Okay, chapter name is Magnificence of Trees. Clear? So today we will discuss question answer related to this chapter. So let's start. Question number 1 is tick the correct answer. First one is Kevla Dev National Park is situated in, and options are Alwar, Bharatpur, Barmer, and correct answer is Bharatpur. Okay. Now come to second one. Sariska National Park is situated in, and options are Alwar, Jaipur, Bharatpur, and our correct answer is Alwar. Okay, Sariska National Park is situated in Alwar. Third one is who started the Chipko movement in Kejarli village, and option are Sundarlal Bahuguna, Aryan, and Amrita Devi. So option number C, Amrita Devi is correct answer. Now come to question number 4. People of the which community lived in Kejarli village, and option are Bishnoi community, and none of these, and our correct answer is B, Bishnoi community. Okay. Question number 5 is how many people were included in Amrita Devi sacrifice in Bishnoi sacrifice in Chipko movement, and correct answer is 363 people. Clear? Now question number 6 is we worship sacred people tree on Amla Navami, Vat Savitri Vrat, or Dashamata Vrat. So option number C, that is Dashamata Vrat, is correct answer. The relationship between plants and animals on the basis of their food is called forest, food chain, adaptation. So correct answer is food chain. Okay, food chain is the relationship between plants and animals on the basis of their food. Now next question number 2 is fill in the blank. Ranthambore National Park is situated in Savai Madhopur. Okay. Next is Khejdi is declared as the state tree of Rajasthan. Third one is in the food chain, second animal eats the first one, and Ghana Bird Sanctuary is in Bharatpur district. Okay. Now come to the next, that is true false. We get oxygen from trees. This statement is true. We do not get medicine from trees. This statement is false. Okay, because we get medicine from trees. 363 people were sacrificed in Kejarli movement. That is true. Next is the king of Jodhpur required wood for the construction of his palace. This statement is also true. Now next question number 4 is answer the following question. Who protects the forest? So our correct answer is government. Why did the soldiers of Jodhpur wanted to cut the Khejdi tree? So our answer is for the construction of king's palace. Okay, king के palace construction के लिए जो जोधपुर के soldiers हैं वो Khejdi tree cut करना चाहते थे. Now question number 3 is who took the leadership of Chipko movement in Rajasthan? So our correct answer is Amrita Devi Bishnoi. What do we get from the trees? Trees give us fruits, flowers, cereals, vegetables, wood, medicine, and oxygen. Question number 5 is what do the herbivores eat? So herbivores eat plants. Okay. What do the carnivores eat? They eat small animals. Okay, carnivores eat small animals or flesh of meat of other animals. Okay, which plants or trees are worshipped in your surroundings? So there are many trees like people, tulsi, amla, banana, banyan tree, etc. Okay. Now question number 8 is what efforts are being made by the people to save the tree? Trees को save करने के लिए लोग क्या-क्या efforts करते हैं? So to save the tree, people worship the trees on different occasions, and many areas are reserved for protection of the trees. Okay, different occasions for different kind of trees की हम worship करते हैं to save the tree. एंड मैनी एरियाज जो हैं वो ट्रीज के लिए क्या किए गए, रिजर्व किए गए हैं. Next is what is forest? So forest is a large area where maximum number of plants, trees and different animals live together. Next question number 10 is what is the land conservation in your surrounding known as? Okay, आपके सराउंडिंग में आपके विलेज के आसपास जो लैंड कंजर्व किया गया है, ओके, उसे क्या कहते हैं? सो द लैंड कंजर्व्ड इन आवर सराउंडिंग इज नोन एज ORAN. Next question number 11 is since ancient time, what type of public awareness was there in the villages to save the trees from being cut? Trees को कट होने से बचाने के लिए एंशिएंट टाइम से ही, ओल्ड टाइम से ही पब्लिक में कैसे अवेयरनेस थी, कैसे वो उन ट्रीज को कटने से बचाते थे. सो द कम्युनिटी अवेयरनेस इन राजस्थान to save the environment is old. The land area near the villages is conserved by naming it after any regional god, goddess, sant or a great person. Thus, the villagers do not cut the wood from this land. Okay, villages में आसपास की जो भी लैंड होती थी उसे किसी भी रीजनल जो गॉड हैं, गॉडेस हैं, देवी देवता हैं, किसी ग्रेट पर्सन के नेम पर उस लैंड को कंजर्व कर दिया जाता था. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई पीपल फिर उस लैंड पे से जो वुड है वो कट नहीं करते थे. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 इज व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय फूड चेन? Give example and paste the picture also. So what is food chain? The relationship between plants and animals on the basis of their food is known as food chain. Okay, the relationship between plants and animals, okay, and which determine that who eats whom. इस फूड चेन से हमें ये भी पता चलता है कि कौन किसको ईट कर रहा है. okay? कौन से एनिमल्स कार्निवोर्स हैं, कौन से एनिमल्स हर्बीवोर्स हैं, एंड कौन से कार्निवोरस जो एनिमल्स हैं इन हर्बीवोरस एनिमल्स को ईट कर रहे हैं, हर्बीवोरस जो एनिमल्स हैं वो किस प्लांट या ग्रास को ईट कर रहे हैं. okay? तो इस फूड चेन से हमें पूरा जो रिलेशन है उनका फूड पर बेसिस वो हमें पता चलता है. Like locust और grasshopper eat grass. See in the picture. Picture में देखिए यहाँ पर फर्स्ट आपको यहाँ क्या शो हो रहा है? ग्रास. सेकंड वन इज grasshopper और locust. ओके, सो जो grasshopper है वो किसे ईट कर रहा है? ग्रास को. ओके, सो grasshopper eat grass. Frog eats locust. जो frog है वो locust या grasshopper को ईट कर रहा है. A snake eat the frog and in the end an eagle eat the snake. Okay, eagle या फिर जो hawk है, बाज है, वो snake को eat कर लेते हैं. Clear? Now next question number 13 is what do you understand by sanctuary? So a reserved area where several animals and plants stay together is called sanctuary. It's also a reserved area. It's reserved by government. Okay, government ने different park and sanctuaries रिजर्व की है. ओके, एंड इस एरिया में बहुत सेवरल टाइप के एनिमल्स एंड प्लांट जो है वो एक साथ स्टे करते हैं टुगेदर, एंड वहां पर वुड कटिंग एंड हंटिंग ऑफ एनिमल्स, जो एनिमल्स का शिकार करना है या वुड की कटिंग है वो वहां पर क्या रहता है? इलीगल है, बैंड है. ओके, थ्रू गवर्नमेंट. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ बेनिफिट दैट वी गेट फ्रॉम ट्रीज. ट्रीज से हमें क्या क्या बेनिफिट्स हैं, क्या क्या लाभ हैं, हमें उन बेनिफिट्स की एक लिस्ट बनानी है. So trees and plants give us fruits, flowers, cereals, vegetables, wood, medicines and oxygen. Second is trees and plants bring rainfall. It supplies food and fodder for animals. Animals के लिए food and fodder supply करते हैं. And it keeps the balance of environment as well as nature. Now next question number 15 is write the name of parks and sanctuaries of Rajasthan along with their district. Okay, left hand side there is a name of park or sanctuary and in the right side district name. Okay, कौन सा park या जो sanctuary है वो कौन से district में located है, हमें ये पूरा table prepare करना. Okay, so first one is Ranthambore National Park and Tiger Reserve. It's located in Savai Madhopur district. Okay. Second is Kevra Dev National Park and Ghana Bird Sanctuary. It's situated in Bharatpur. National Desert Park located in Jaisalmer, Barmer, and the Sariskan National Park located in Alwar. So you have to make this table and learn this properly. Okay, Ranthambore National Park and Tiger Reserve located in Savai Madhopur. Kevladev National Park and Ghana Bird Sanctuary is in Bharatpur. National Desert Park in Jaisalmer, Barmer, and the Sariskan National Park is in Alwar. Clear? Now, next question number 16 is conservation of trees is a tradition of a culture of ancient Rajasthan. Explain. Okay. Ancient Rajasthan means old Rajasthan, जो starting से ancient time से old time से जो राजस्थान है तब से ही trees को conserve करना, preserve करना यहाँ का tradition रहा है, यहाँ का culture रहा है. Okay, ये हमें explain करना है through some points. Okay. So the community awareness in Rajasthan to save the environment is good. Okay? राजस्थान की different communities में environment को save करने के लिए जो awareness है वो ancient time से है. And the land is conserved by naming it after any regional god, goddess, son or a great person. यहाँ पर land जो है किसी भी regional god, goddess या फिर son या great person के name पर उस land को is conserved कर दिया जाता है. The grazing land and the grassland and the orangs are conserved in the rural areas by the local people. Okay? जो rural areas हैं, ग्रामीण जो इलाके हैं, वहाँ पर जो वहाँ के जो local people हैं, उनके थ्रू ही grazing land, grassland and जो orang है, उन्हें conserve कर दिया जाता है. Clear? Many varieties of trees are worshipped on different occasions, like Amla tree on Amla Navami, sacred people tree on Dashamata. Okay? Different occasions पर different time के trees की worship जो हम करते हैं, like Amla Navami पर Amla tree and Dashamata व्रत पर people की. So इससे भी जो trees हैं उन्हें save करने में बहुत help. So conservation of trees is the tradition culture of Rajasthan. Now, next question number 17 is explain Chipko movement in detail. So, once upon a time, the king of Jodhpur required wood for the construction of his palace. So, he ordered his man to cut the khejri tree. The people belonging to the Bishnoi community protested against it, and as they started cutting the tree, Amrita Devi Bishnoi embraced the khejri trees and said, "First you cut me, and then only you will be able to cut these trees." Similarly, other villagers also supported her and did the same. The king's soldier cut the khejri tree along with the villager. Total 363 people, including Amrita Devi Bishnoi, sacrificed their life to save the khejri trees. Okay. So स्टोरी हम ऑलरेडी जो चिपको मूवमेंट का डिटेल है चैप्टर में भी हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं दैट जो जोधपुर के किंग थे उन्हें अपने पैलेस के कंस्ट्रक्शन के लिए वो का रिक्वायरमेंट था सो उन्होंने अपने सोल्जर्स को ऑर्डर दिया टू कट द खेजड़ी ट्री. ओके, बट जो बिश्नोई कम्युनिटी के लोग थे उन्होंने इसको प्रोटेस्ट किया, इसके अगेंस्ट उन्होंने विरोध किया इस बात का. एंड जैसे ही उन्होंने ट्रीज कट करना स्टार्ट किया सो अमृता देवी बिश्नोई ट्रीज से उन्होंने ट्रीज को टाइटली होल्ड किया एंड उन्होंने कहा कि if you want to able the cut the tree first you cut me. अगर आप ये ट्री कट करना चाहते हैं तो पहले आपको मुझे कट करना पड़ेगा. एंड सिमिलरली और भी विलेजर्स ने उनको सपोर्ट किया. सो किंग के जो सोल्जर्स थे उन्होंने खेजड़ी ट्री के साथ ही विलेजर्स को भी कट किया, इंक्लूडिंग अमृता देवी बिश्नोई. 363 पीपल ने अपनी लाइफ का सैक्रिफाइस किया टू सेव द खेजड़ी ट्री. इट्स द डिटेल अबाउट चिपको मूवमेंट. ओके, so in history there is no other incidents where people sacrificed their lives to save trees. and history में आपको इसके अलावा और कोई भी इंसिडेंट नहीं मिलेगा जिसमें कि people ने trees को सेव करने के लिए अपनी लाइफ को सैक्रिफाइस किया. Okay, so here is our chapter number 7 is completed. I hope you all understood about this chapter. Next chapter we will continue in our next class. Thank you.